Hi all, in this video we are going to see how to install Java 20 in Windows. Before installing the Java, I'm going to check whether it is installed already in my system. So I'm going to open the terminal. So give the command java -version. So here it's coming as Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, right? So it seems Java not yet installed in the system, right? So I'm going to download the JDK installer from the Oracle. I'll give the link in the description, so you can go here. In this, you just click on the Windows and you can see Java, 64 install, 64-bit installer. Just click on the download. Now it's get downloaded. I just go and just click next, and you can select the path where you need to install the Java and give next. Okay, now it get successfully installed, right? You can check it here. Go to program files. So here it get created Java, right? Java folder JDK-20. So here it get installed, and after that you need to set up the environment variable. For that, you just go to the system environment variable, and in the advanced tab you click on environment variable. In the system variables, in this area, in the system variables, you need to create a new. Here variable name you should give as java underscore home, and give the variable value where is in your JDK-20. Copy the path and give it to the variable value and make it okay, and click on the path. You have to give up till until the bin folder. Copy the folder path, then create a new, paste it here and give okay and give it okay. Now I'm going to check whether the Java get installed or not. I'm opening the command prompt, giving the java -version. Now it coming, right? Java version 20.0.1. It get installed, right? So this is how to install the Java in Windows. Yeah, hope this will help to you all. Thank you all.